So is this actually Google's most powerful Chromecast ever? Probably. And it probably is the streaming device that we all really need right now. If it ever comes out, that is. Google's kind of been slacking on releasing its products. But we're going to take a look at some of the rumors for this awesomely powerful and hopefully soon to be released Chromecast. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, rumors have been circulating that Google's been working on a brand new streaming device, a kind of upgrade to its Chromecast Ultra that was released a little while back. And all this marketing material is pointing to this device being released fairly soon, sooner than we actually think. And the really cool and exciting thing about this is that they're kind of going all in on the Google TV type of Chromecast thing, where before Chromecast was just you casting that data or that media from your mobile device onto a device that was connected to your TV. This device is kind of slated to not only have a remote, but actually have a user interface on your television set, which basically eliminates the need for you to cast anything from your mobile device if you don't need to. The casting option is still going to be available, but this is going to operate something similar to like an Amazon Fire TV Cube or a Roku or an Apple TV, where you can actually interact with the interface of the Chromecast directly from your television set, making it a smart device, which is extremely exciting. Now, they're also saying that this definitely will be more powerful than the Google Chromecast Ultra that's currently available with the 4K ability and all that new powered Google-ness that's inside the Chromecast Ultra. This device is actually slated to be a lot more powerful than that, and it's basically going to be running on the S905X2 hardware, and it's the same hardware that's currently running any kind of Android television device that you know of, and that just points a little bit more to it being an overall smart device versus just a casting device. Now, if we get into a little bit of the specifications, it's saying that it's going to run Android/Google TV. It's going to allow for Google Play applications to actually be installed directly into the device itself. It should support 4K HDR with Dolby Vision, Google Assistant, smart home controls, and Stadia support. So you're looking at a device that's basically going to be able to interact with the other Google devices you may have around your home, like the Google speakers, your Google Home, your Google Stadia, any kind of Google-ness that you have throughout your home. This device is going to be able to interact with them while still being able to provide your media. And I think this is actually kind of a step up from some of the other devices on the market. One of the devices that I currently use right now without fail is my Amazon Fire TV Cube, and I really love the interface. I love the overall performance of that device, but it's missing certain things that I think Google can get a little bit better than Amazon could, and that's dealing with the interface, the software, and actually the Google Assistant itself. I'm really excited to see how Google Assistant kind of integrates into this device, giving you the ability to not only navigate it, but kind of get to the media that you're looking for a lot quicker. There's no doubt that the Google Assistant is probably one of the best assistants on the market. Integrating that with your TV watching is fantastic. And let's see if they throw any kind of YouTube interactions into it. It's really exciting because Google's on so many different fronts and so many different things that they can kind of cram into the overall, not only performance, but general interactions that you're going to be getting with this particular device on your home television. Now, the biggest question is price point. I'm seeing a price point of about $80. Now, is this something that you guys would spend $80 on? Me personally, I have a lot of different streaming devices in my home. This is going to have to do something really cool in order for me to kind of want to get it. I had a Google Chromecast and I gave that up for my Amazon Fire TV Cube, and I haven't looked back since. I don't really have any issues with the actual TV Cube itself. So unless Google's coming to the table with something that's extremely innovative and something that's extremely different than all the other streaming devices that you're going to have on the market, an $80 price tag may scare some people off that just kind of sees this as an overpacked Chromecast. But like I said, if they're able to work in some of their other platform integrations into this device, again, like YouTube or watch parties or YouTube comments, or just being able to direct you directly to your media as quickly as possible using their assistant or their Google search algorithm, awesome stuff, it can definitely compete on the market with any of the other streaming devices that are currently available. So I'm excited for it. Kind of of a wait and see thing. Like I said, because of how everything is kind of falling with the market right now, Google has been a little lax on releasing any information or releasing any products. So it's a wait and see kind of thing if we're going to get this year, possibly, hopefully sometime soon. But I want to know what you guys think about this particular device. What is your streaming device of choice currently? And do you think this can kind of fit into your streaming lifestyle or replace a streaming device that you currently have, or be the only streaming device that you kind of go to in your home? Comment in the comment section down below. And also, if $80 is too high of a price point for you to pay for a Google Chromecast, comment in the comment section down below as well. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button with that bell for notification. That bell is actually pretty important because it's the only way you guys are going to know when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys, you can check out some of the other videos we have on the channel. I'm going to throw a couple up here. And as always, make sure to stay safe. And until next time, peace out.